Want to permanently delete your BingX account in 2026? Before you do, make sure you've withdrawn all your crypto and close any open trades, because once your account is deleted, the process may not be reversible. Start by opening the BingX official website and sign in to your account. First, withdraw all your funds, close any active positions, and cancel any pending orders. Most exchanges won't process account closures if there are remaining balances or open trades. Next, go to Profile, then open Security Settings or Account Settings. Look for an option such as Close Account, Delete Account, or Deactivate Account, depending on your region and app version. This option may appear in different locations. If you cannot find the option, you may need to contact BingX customer support and request account closure manually. For security purposes, BingX may ask you to complete email verification, SMS verification, two-factor authentication, or identity confirmation before the request is processed. Once your request is approved, your account may be permanently closed and access to certain account information could be lost. And that's how you can permanently delete your BingX account in 2026. Always make sure you move your files and downloaded any important records before submitting your request. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.